Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So with Papercraft Society box number 28, Pretty Gets Gritty, I have a few, probably my two favorite prints I pulled off of there. And I'm going to pair this one, since it has the blue, with the blue cardstock. And then I'm going to pair this one with the gray cardstock. But before I do, I'm going to do a little stamping on this guy here. You can get this box at craftstash. If you're in the US, they have a US site, and if you're in the UK, of course, you have the UK site. So I think I'm going to do maybe this compass for starters. And I have here, I'm going to use my black archival because I think I might add some other media on here. So I'm going to put this out of the way here so I don't get that all grungy. So I'm going to finish making the pattern, and then we're going to die cut from that. Be off to the side there. Okay. Then I'm going to get this one here. Like that unfinished look of that. And just kind of fill in here and there. One of the arrows. I'm going to cut this down and start with trimming off the edges. And that's what gives that sort of random feel. So maybe I'll do an A2 card. Make this a smaller one. So I'm going to cut it to 4 by 5 1/4 so that the A2 size will be 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I can put a little border around there. And then you decide which end. I think I like this end, so I'm going to do that at 5 1/4. And you can save these bits and make little banners and things off of there. So then this needs to be 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Which is a standard US A2 size card. And then of course get some good glue for that. I'm in Michigan right now and we are cold. It is about 20 degrees Fahrenheit. What I like to do is turn it over. That way I can rub that without getting my hands all over that. Okay, and then we can use our scraps for our sentiments. So super easy here. I'm going to do the life's a journey, not a race. Actually going to cut this down into 2 bits. Get rid of the comma there. Highlight that with just a little black on the edges. That way it pops out a little bit. You can see it doesn't have to be complicated with our gel prints. It just makes an easy way to make a quick card. You could pop this up on foam. I'm not going to do that because I give a lot of my cards to someone at my church that sends them out in the mail, so I'm going to leave it kind of flat here. I'm going to go like that. So if you make a bunch of gel prints, it's really easy to just pop out a bunch of cards and you have paper all ready, and it's already interesting. You don't even need to do the stamping on there really. And then I think I've got an envelope here and a card blank. Of course, you can make your own card blank. I just happen to have some. And again, I'm going to put glue instead of foam. If I were handing this to somebody, I would use foam tape for sure. Just like that. And you can even stamp on the inside. And then you could write your note down there, or you could stamp the other sentiments on there. On here. Like that again. It's also nice to use the archival so that if you're sending it in the post, the rain doesn't smudge that all up. We have our card. Very simple. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick video. Thanks so much for joining me. Go ahead and give a thumbs up, hit the bell, and subscribe, and that way you are notified of new videos for art and cooking. Check out the links below if you would. That way you can get all the info that you need. Thanks. Have a great day.